I'm Christy Duffy for SmarTrend News. Today is Friday, April 30th, and this is your closing bell market wrap-up. The major U.S. equity indices closed lower Friday following disappointing reports on the GDP and consumer sentiment and on news about the criminal investigation of Goldman Sachs. The GDP rose 3.2% annual pace in the quarter, which missed economists' estimates of 3.4%. The Reuters University of Michigan report showed consumer sentiment was 72.2 in April, higher than a preliminary reading of 69.5 and then economist estimates of 71. However, it came in lower than March's 73.6. The Chicago Purchasing Managers Index rose to 63.8 in April, up from 58.8 in March, topping consensus of 60. In corporate news, Goldman Sachs shares closed 9.39% lower at $145.20 on news of criminal charges being brought against the bank by the Justice Department over the mortgage securities deals it arranged. Taking a look at where the markets closed today, the Dow Jones closed 1.5% lower at 11,008 points. The S&P closing about 1.75% lower at 1,186, and the Nasdaq closing about 2% lower, 2,461 points. I'm Christy Duffy for SmarTrend News. For more updates and more news, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Trade the Trend. You can also find more on these headlines on our website, tradethetrend.com.